G'day everyone, and welcome to this video where I'm going to walk you through a source of organic traffic to help you in your affiliate marketing pursuits. So this site is called Quora. It's Quora.com. So you can head over here and you may or may not have an account. If you don't have one, it's relatively simple to set one up. You can just create an account, or you can log in with Google and you're pretty much in. So one of the first things that you're going to have to do is come over here, if you can see on the left, and it's discover spaces. Now I've got some spaces that I'm already working with, but you go to discover spaces and you search for, these are basically like the equivalent of Facebook groups. They are small communities that talk about particular subjects that are of interest to the creator and the community participants. Okay, so you can search and add as many spaces as you like, but obviously bear in mind that the same with Facebook groups, you can't cover everything. You're going to have to look for something that is specific to your niche or sub niches, and just basically set yourself up with a few different spaces there. So how this works, once you get into it and you start to build a little bit of authority with Quora, you're going to come into this section here, which is answer. Okay, and based on the spaces that you have selected, you will get a series of questions from people, and you have the ability to answer those particular questions. So what you need to be looking for is people that are searching obviously for an answer, but you're looking to be able to deliver some value in that answer to them. Okay, so it's the normal rules of organic marketing. You're looking to take a person from their Hell Island over to their Heaven Island, or to take them across the bridge from where they are now to where they want to be. Okay, so these are just global questions here based on your spaces, but more specifically, once you've started to answer a few questions, you actually get people who request your answer because they've seen what you do, and I believe this is through the system rather than personal, but I think AI kicks in and it takes a person's question and delivers it based on your previous content for you to answer. Now you don't have to answer. You have the ability here to pass on the question if it's not for you, or you can simply move in and answer the question. So this would be a really good one here, for example, for affiliate marketers. The guy is asking, do you have any tips for creating a high converting lead magnet? So that's something that you could slip in an answer and just say, hi, whoever's asking the question, I've seen that you're asking for lead magnets, and I have some information on that. I could attempt to answer your question here, but would you be okay if I send you something a bit more detailed that you can have a look at it? And then you're creating that invitation for them to say to you, yes please, I would like that, and you can start your interactions with that individual, build the relationship. Certainly don't go in for the sale straight away. The usual rules of organic marketing apply. You're looking to build the relationship. You're giving your time and delivering value to the person to build trust. Okay, and then two things will either happen. I mean, they'll just take the information and they won't necessarily be interested in working with you or building a relationship. Or if you do this in a way that doesn't come across as pushy or salesy, then you can, and I've used this myself successfully, you can build the relationship with the individual and then start to close in on first a soft pitch and then close in on making an offer only when it's appropriate to do so. Okay, so again, the usual rules of organic marketing will apply. So I hope that's given you some tips and tricks. I use this site. It's not particularly flooded right now. Everyone's on Facebook. I'm looking and have been looking for some time at alternative social media platforms, and I find this works really well because there's a lot of people on here that are genuinely looking for help, and I think part of the reason why they come to this community is because they don't, they don't get fished, if I can use that term, as much as they do on Facebook. So they're a little bit more, people are a little bit more open to, you helping. So again, this is just, an option for you. You may want to check it out. But again, I've used this quite successfully myself, but I never, ever push people and make it a spammy or over pushy sales type of process. This is a process where you generally have to look and help people. Okay, so it's about building that relationship with them and getting the trust, and you also building your authority on the platform where people can come and ask you the question and know that they're going to get a genuine answer. Okay, so I hope that helps, and if you've got any questions, then please feel free to contact me. My details are on my YouTube channel, and if you like this, then definitely I would say subscribe. It really helps me to continue with this channel, and click the bell notification as well so that you will get advance notice of any new videos that I put out there, and there will be plenty to come as well. So hopefully that helps, and have a great day. See you in the next video.